Hey guys, so today's a pretty cool one. I've just gone through all the results and we saved roughly 8% due to our rules. That is fantastic. That makes me just feel like, well, I'm over the moon. Our rules are saving us so much money. And why is that good? Why is that fantastic? Well, the rules are doing exactly what we want them to do. Save us, right? That's what they're designed for. So trading is just as much about not hopping into trades as it is about hopping into trades. And today we get to a masterclass in why, well, trading to the rules is amazing and not trading to the rules is awful. So why don't we hop into it now and have a look. Let's move on to the fourth and see if we had anything good yesterday, right? So where to sell here, obviously not trending long enough. USD CAD on the 4 hours, where is that? Already ranging, so you wouldn't have taken either of those. AUD JPY on the 2 hour. Let's see this, I'm just checking. So you've got a higher high up here. Well, that moved, there we go. A higher high up here, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now, would you have done that? 'Cause technically, if I can move this out the way, technically where does it form that new lower low? Here? Yeah, I'd say that I'm assuming that this is one here. Yeah, so we've got a new lower low here. So once it breaks below that, which is probably here. So how many hours? I've done the 18 hours, so you wouldn't have hopped into that trade. Because lower low to lower high. So technically, it breaks and forms our lower low around here. Because we've actually moved underneath this lower low. That's where it's formed. Great. So we've got a new lower low, and from there we scale it. Now obviously, wouldn't have hopped into that AUD JPY trade. Let's go into USD CAD right now on the 30 minutes. Whoa. Fourth, fifth, fifth. Okay. That's a 1 to 3. Oh, that's a 1 to 2. Fantastic, right? Really good trade. Okay, so I've obviously hopped into this trade. Why have I hopped into this trade? Let's see. Well, we've got a lower low here and then a lower high here. We might have double tops, which we do. We don't have double bottoms, so that's fine. So we've got double tops and then we've got double bottoms through here. Right? So here's a low, here's a low, here's your double tops, because it is. So maybe I was just looking at this trade, seeing if I'd hop into it. Okay, so we've got double tops and double bottoms through here. I'm assuming that I'm 100% correct on this. Yes, I am. So that would have been ranging pretty good, even though we would have hit through here. So even though I was excited about it at first, you go through so many of these signals, it can get a little bit crazy. But no, you wouldn't have hopped into any of these USD CAD ones, because again, it's ranging, it's ranging, it's ranging. When did that come out? Yeah. Cool, so USD CAD, NZD CAD in 30 minutes. Now that's the fourth as well. So, lower low, lower high, lower low. I don't know if you'd have double tops here. Instead of maybe moving towards the camera, maybe I can just figure out from this highest point to here, 4.4. So technically I'm including that in the double tops. So we've got double tops here. Even if you'd hopped into it, and I'm just seeing this from here to here. You get double tops in here. As soon as this came up and moved around here, I'm not really going to put it in because you would lose 0.10% on this trade. That should be what it is. You wouldn't have lost it because again, when it ranges, as soon as that happens, we just move our stop loss really close. So NZD CAD 30 minutes, it would have been a very, very minor loss. NZD JPY on the 2 hours. Wow, there was a lot of trades yesterday. Let's see this, move my face out the way. Probably consolidation through here. Lower low. Do you have a lower high at this point? No. So you do have a lower low, but no lower highs. Wouldn't have hopped into that one. NZD/JPY on the 2 hour. Euro NZD on the 1 hour here. No, massively ranging. USD CAD on the 1 hour. Well, you've actually got, probably here is double tops, right? Yeah, you get double tops here, you've got double bottoms here before you would even hop in. And you can say that breaks out, but we know with our strategy that's not a breakout. So there, it's ranging, you wouldn't be hopping into it. Great British Pound 1 hour, 2. Low, lower high. I think you actually would hop into this one. I think this is a completely valid trade. I think this is going to be obviously a loser. Yep. Now, it's 1 hour. It's 42 pips here for our stop loss. Way too big. Wouldn't be hopping into this trade because of that. Our maximum is 35. So again, we're saved there. Great British Pound on the 1 hour. I think we just looked at this before. If not, it's ranging anyway, so we wouldn't have a look at it. NZD/JPY on the 1 hour. Sell. Well, you got double tops. You would have had double bottoms through here. As soon as it came to this point again. Now, this would have been a larger loss. Now, this definitely would have been a larger loss. So if we actually put this up here, if we can hop into it, again, 48, it's too big, saves us again. It's rules and rules. Like, the rules are just saving us so much money. This one here, so it's ranging, breaks out, retests, breaks down. Yep, I think this is a perfectly valid trade. Just have to see how big the stop loss is again. 38 to 44. Can't hop into it. It's too big. It saves us again, which is absolutely ridiculous. AUD USD 1 hour. Did I not look at this? Oh, sorry. NZD/JPY. I thought I clicked on this one. Oh, we did go over it. AUD USD. Oh, it looks exactly the same. It looks exactly the same. So I'm assuming that the stop loss is going to be too big. Yes, wouldn't hop into it. Euro NZD we looked at. NZD CAD over here. And we've talked about this one as well. We've talked about this one. Oh, why wouldn't I have hopped into this one here? Obviously, we formed a higher high. If not, it's double tops. It's ranging and you wouldn't have hopped into it. So yesterday, you wouldn't have hopped into a single trade. How much did our rules save us today? 4. Well, if we're dual trading and we've missed out on like 3, 4 losers, well, that's like 8% right there. That's saved. Amazing. That's what we want. It's fantastic. It's perfect. That's why we have rules in the first place. So that is, well, that's the daily breakdown.